Good evening, Ton enthusiasts. I'm Tonio, here with a week full of groundbreaking updates in the world of the open network. This week has been particularly eventful, and we have much to cover, so let's get started. Ton and Telegram are aiming to bring 500 million users into the Web3 space by 2028. Utilizing Telegram's large user base, their strategy is paying off with high daily transactions and engagement levels. Additionally, the introduction of Ton Space Wallet and mini apps has attracted 6 million new accounts since last November, positioning Ton as a leading Layer 1 network. TonUp's Up program for the BNI-DO concluded with significant involvement, with over 1.8 million UP staked across 1,186 addresses. Participants have secured a spot on the upper whitelist for the upcoming IDO on August 26th, showcasing strong community engagement and anticipation. Despite the market's downturn, EVA has seen a significant increase in total value locked, demonstrating the platform's resilience and smart strategic positioning within the Ton ecosystem. In more troubling news, Telegram's CEO, Pavel Durov, was arrested in France last week, leading to a drop in Ton's price. This development has raised concerns about potential regulatory challenges and the stability of Telegram and its associated projects. On a brighter note, JVault has officially launched its updated staking platform on the mainnet this week. With new features aimed at simplifying the staking process and enhancing user experience, JVault is set to attract more participants to its ecosystem. Exciting developments and partnerships as the BTC ecosystem teams up with Ton Stakers for special missions. This collaboration not only enriches the Ton Stakers platform, but also integrates Bitcoin DeFi products, broadening the utility and reach within the Ton blockchain. In other news, the DOGS token has achieved a significant milestone by opening on-chain withdrawals on the Ton blockchain this week. This move enhances the security and manageability of DOGS, benefiting numerous holders with fast and low-cost transactions. The Ton network recently faced a technical issue that halted transactions, preventing users from sending and receiving Ton coin and other tokens like DOGS. The Ton community and development teams responded quickly, diagnosing and addressing the problem effectively. Their prompt action and communication helped resolve the issue, restoring normal operations on the network. Further developments on Pavel Durov's situation. Telegram's CEO has been charged in France for not preventing illegal activities on the platform. Following his arrest, he posted $5.5 million in bail and is now restricted from leaving France. Despite these legal challenges, Durov continues to advocate for user privacy and compliance. His legal team is actively contesting the charges. And finally, in a fun turn of events, StonFi has launched new farming opportunities featuring the popular DOGS token with substantial rewards and no lockup period for LP tokens. These farms are an exciting chance for community members to engage and earn. That wraps up this week's news. Thanks for watching our Ton blockchain roundup. For more details and updates, join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.